Hello student, I am telling you rest of method of preparation of alkyl halide because I have already prepared one video related to method of preparation of alkyl halide. This is the second video related to method of preparation of alkyl halide. Prepare it. Hello student, I am Shivam Shukla. In this video, I am telling you method of preparation of alkyl halide or haloalkane. First, I am telling you Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule? The negative part of adding molecule in unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of adding molecule goes to that carbon atom which has lesser number of hydrogen atom. In unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of adding molecule like HBr goes to that carbon atom which contain lesser number of hydrogen atom. Look here, Markovnikov rule. In unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of adding molecule in unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of adding molecule like HCl goes to that carbon atom which contain lesser number of hydrogen atom. Lesser number of hydrogen atom. Once again, Markovnikov rule. In unsymmetrical alkene. What is unsymmetrical alkene? Look here, CH2 double bond CH2. Divide into equal part, both parts are same. This is symmetrical alkene. Now remove this H, add CH3. Now again draw line. This is CH2 and this part CH3CH. Both parts are not same, so this is unsymmetrical alkene. In unsymmetrical alkene, like propene, the negative part of adding molecule like HCl. This is positive part, this is negative part. Goes to that carbon atom which contain lesser number of hydrogen atom. This carbon atom contain only one hydrogen, lesser number of hydrogen. So this Cl attach here. This Cl attach with this carbon. We get CH3 bond CH, CH3 bond CH, and Cl attach here, and after this bond and this H attach here, it becomes CH3 bond CH3. So we can say 1 2 3 2-chloropropane. After this, I am telling you next method, Hunsdiker reaction. Hunsdiker reaction, or we can say Hunsdiker reaction. Silver salt of carboxylic acid on heated with bromine in carbon tetrachloride give alkyl bromide, and this reaction is called Hunsdiker reaction. What is silver salt of carboxylic acid? Formula of silver salt of carboxylic acid is RCOOAg. RCOOAg. This is called silver salt of carboxylic acid on heated with bromine in carbon tetrachloride, then R and Br combine to form RBr, and Ag and Br combine to form AgBr. This is called alkyl bromide, this is called silver bromide, and CO2 combine COO, this is called CO2. So this is the Hunsdiker reaction. Now I am telling you next method from alkane. From alkane, when alkanes like methane are heated with chlorine or a light, then they give monochloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane. So look here, this is methane, CH4, react with Cl2, H and Cl combine to form HCl. We can write in this way, and we get CH3. One H removed, then we get CH3. One Cl attached here, we get CH3Cl. Again, Cl2 add, H and Cl combine to form HCl. Right here minus HCl, and this Cl attached here, we get CH2Cl2. Again, Cl2 react, H and Cl combine to form HCl. This is released, so we can write minus HCl. This Cl attached here, we get CHCl3. After this, Cl2, H and Cl combine to form HCl, and this Cl attached here, we get CCl4. So when methane is heated with chlorine, or we can say also bromine, in presence of light or heat or catalyst, we can take here light or heat or catalyst, then we get monochloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, other name chloroform, and tetrachloromethane. Okay students, so this is the method of preparation of alkyl halide, number of alkyl halide from alkane. Now I am telling you Finkel-Stein reaction. What is Finkel-Stein reaction? Now next topic is going to, I am telling you Finkel-Stein reaction. Look here, Finkel-Stein reaction. Alkyl iodide are prepared by this method. Alkyl iodide are prepared by this method. Methyl iodide, ethyl iodide. So alkyl halide, especially we can take here ethyl, we can take here RBr, or we can also take here in the place of R C2H5. So this is called ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide on heated with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, CH3CO, CH3 is the formula of acetone, then Na and Br combine to form NaBr plus C2H5I. C2H5I. Once again, Finkel-Stein reaction. What is Finkel-Stein reaction? Listen to me once again. Ethyl bromide is heated with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, give ethyl iodide. So this is Finkel-Stein reaction. After this, next reaction is Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction. Next reaction is Schwarz reaction. What is Schwarz reaction? Alkyl halide react with silver fluoride. we can take alkyl halide. Methyl bromide react with silver fluoride. Methyl CH3 bromide Br react with silver fluoride. Then Ag and Br combine to form AgBr, and we get CH3F. CH3F is called methyl fluoride. Once again, Schwarz reaction. When methyl bromide is heated with silver fluoride, then methyl fluoride is formed. This reaction is called Schwarz reaction. Okay, student, prepare it.